Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Hey everyone, welcome back to Technic Force. Now imagine this for a second. You type an idea, hit enter, and suddenly a full cinematic scene unfolds right in front of you. So real motion, real acting, real emotion, dynamic camera movement, all happening live generated by AI. No film crew, no animation tools, no editing software, just you and your imagination. That's the world of VIDU Q2, the next generation AI model that's redefining what it means to make a movie. So, what makes VIDU Q2 so special? If you've seen earlier video models like Sora or Runway, you know how impressive AI video generation has already become. But Q2 takes things to another level. This model doesn't just generate clips, it performs them. It transforms your text prompts into cinematic storytelling powered by neural logic and visual intelligence so advanced it almost feels alive. Forget static renderers or short looping animations. Video Q2 delivers something closer to real cinematography. So every scene has composition, camera work, and emotion built in. Now here's the killer feature that's getting creators excited: reference to video generation. With Video Q2, you can upload up to 7 reference images, and the AI merges them seamlessly into a single coherent video. That means you can keep consistent characters, props, and even entire environments across your shots. Most AI systems start breaking down after 2 reference images, like faces morph, lighting shifts, scenes lose consistency, but Q2 handles 7 with ease, reading how each element connects. So it keeps proportions, lighting, and camera angles stable, just like a real film director stitching shots together perfectly. So picture this: you upload a few character portraits, maybe a landscape or two, and type something like two explorers walking through a neon jungle at night. Instead of random frames, Video Q2 understands the vibe. So it reads the lighting, the mood, and even the emotional tone of the scene. So the result feel like an actual short film directed by you, executed by AI. Amazing. And that's not all. The new image to video engine inside Q2 brings massive upgrades. So it now delivers rock solid coherence, sharper transitions, and complete control over duration. You can choose exactly how long your scene runs, from short to 3-second moments to extended 8-second cinematic sequences. You can even lock your first and last frames as anchors, and the AI intelligently animates everything in between, giving you that smooth storytelling flow that used to take hours of keyframing. Under the hood, the motion engine has been completely rebuilt for cinematic realism. Q2 adds natural pans, zooms, and dolly shots that track subjects dynamically, giving your video that professional camera feel. So faces stay stable, expressive, and emotionally believable. You'll notice subtle movements like blinks, smiles, and gestures, those micro details that make characters feel truly alive. So it's no longer just about generating motion, it's about performing with purpose. Performance wise, Q2 is a beast. It renders faster, processes prompts more intelligently, and understands context in a way that feels intuitive. Describes a calm sunset conversation, and it gives you soft lighting and steady framing. Describe a high speed chase, and it switches to dramatic camera angles and intense motion. That kind of dynamic response used to require a full film crew. Now it happens in seconds. Compared to Video Q1 or even big names like Sora 2, Q2 achieves around 30% higher consistency in facial and motion detail, sharper scene transitions, and double the generation speed. Now we're walking about cinematic precision that would have taken hours of manual editing, now compressed into a few clicks. And for creators, that control is everything. With Q2, you can tweak settings instantly, adjust scene formats, and re render with ease. Whether you're making a short cinematic ad, a YouTube intro, or a storytelling reel, the process feels smooth and creative instead of technical and rigid. So, even better, the generation costs have been optimized. That means top tier AI video quality is now within reach without needing a huge budget. But here's what I really think defines Video Q2: its mission. So, it's not just about fancy visuals or flashy upgrades. Q2 was built to make cinematic AI filmmaking fast, controllable, and affordable. If you're a filmmaker, content creator, or even a marketer, this is your creative playground. You can direct AI driven stories, control how they look and feel, and scale your production without usual limitations. And yes, the video extension feature is still available, so if you've generated a scene and want to expand it, you can stretch it further, continue the storyline, or add new sequences without restarting the entire process. So, what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time.